he bites you, you always wake him up.
Create and borrow. Yeah, masarap yun.
Gamit dyan. Ginawa pa akong umasin.
Saan ba ito? Ito yung Santa Row.
Nagawa ka na.
Oh. Oh, I can't go over here. There's a couple there in the back.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Tatum Lane. Then take the first right onto Santana Row. Right onto Santana Row, then take the first left onto Olin Avenue. At the stop sign, turn left onto Olin Avenue, then arrive at your destination.
This is my kinda store.
Wow.
Me and Kawai.
Ang feeling mo talaga. Nagyabang pa.
This is the Santana Row.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Pata na sa Beverly. Hindi, tumakbo pa talaga ito.
Hey Kawai, this is our store right here.
It's part of it. What is this? Right here and pick up, drop off only.
Park mo na rin sa ano?
Ha? Hindi, papark ko na muna dito para... Sige.
May fitness ang ano, Santa Ana Fit Studio Santa Ana raw. Alright. Nakaka-Europe ang rating ano rin. Ah. Ang kaanan. Ayan ang fountain naman. Hoy. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, come on. Good boy, Kawhi. Ayan ang ano, 368 bar. Ang mga mahilig maglasing. Come on. Yes, ma'am. Please. You're a celebrity, man. He's playing with it. That's good. Ito yung patio po nila. Kumain at mag-inom. Ito yung sa San Mateo Beb na kape, oh. Yung blue ano? Ang tawag dito? Yeah. Magkakape ako rin sa blue anong yan. Yes. Say hi, ikaw.
Shepherd mix?
Yeah, no, pure.
Pure? Oh.
Yeah, pure German Shepherd. 3 months old.
So.
Panghaba ng pilo. Kakape ako rin. Yan lang kaya kong bilhin kape. Oh look, that's a good dog right there. That's a good dog. Nagkakape rito. Haba ng pila, may kolay. Sabi niya naghihintay ng kantahan rito sa ilalim ng puno. Haba pila. Malapit-lapit na tayo. Ayun. Busy sa loob. Umpisa na yata. Naghihintay. Paano lang tayo? Pangatlo. Malapit na. Hi ma'am, can I get a regular coffee ma'am? Yes. The large one? That's it. Come on. Live band.
I trick him every time with that song. Alright, we're just gonna switch the microphone. My window when I was old, I know that it can't let go. When I just see you hanging around, feel like
Laki ng aso ngayon. Excuse me, boss. That's a wolf? A German Shepherd? That's a German Shepherd too. Man, that's a German Shepherd, white German Shepherd. And Kawai is black and tan, the original color. This one is puti.
You got him from a breed.
His name is Kawai.
Okay.
Kawai, that's Rango.
Hawaii, like the island.
Kawai, K.
I like his ears.
Yeah, it's already standing up right now. That's a big German Shepherd, white color. Kawai. Yeah.
She's buying a stairway to heaven. When she gets there, she knows that the stores are all closed. Just come with me, I swear. I want to take you somewhere warm. You know your daughter. Cause when the morning comes, I know you won't be there. Every time I shut up and dance with me. You will live the same time. I don't know it happened. She had the word she said. Don't you dare look back. Keep your eyes on. With your eyes down on the tower that you're living in. Cause we got friends and no.
Alright, Tourist Tagutom signing up. Pero narito tayo sa bulwagan ng Santa Ana Road. Sa muling pagkikita, paalam. Wait, Kawai, right here. Say hi, Kawai.